Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Binance account number. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you're successfully logged in, on the home page, you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. Instead of this Binance icon, you can even view your own profile picture. So you need to tap on the profile picture or the Binance icon and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here in the top, you are going to see your ID number as well as your name and the status of your account, whether it is verified or not verified. So you need to tap on your name and then you will be landed on this page where you are going to see your user ID. If you want to copy it, then you are going to see this copy tab right next to it. So you simply need to tap on that copy button in order to copy it, and you can use your account number wherever you want to use it. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.